Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to print both sides on Canon printer. Friends, as you see, this is a word editor. Now to print this document, you have to press Ctrl P on the keyboard to get the printer dialog box. And now here you have to select print on both sides, flip pages on long edge, and then you have to click print button. Now as you see, printer is not printing the page on both sides. And now you have to open printer and scanner settings. Just click on the search box and then type printer and scanner and then click on that. If you have multiple printer installed in your PC, then select the desired printer and then you have to click on printer properties. Printer dialog box opens. Now we have to click on profile tab and then you have to select 2-on-1 two-sided, these options, and then click apply, and then after that you have to click on OK button. And now you have to press Ctrl P on the keyboard to print the file and then select print on both sides, flip pages on long edge. You have to select flip pages on long edge and then we have to click on print button.